Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to change the colors on your Shopify website. Customizing your store colors is a great way to match your brand and make your site look more appealing to customers. Let's get started. From your Shopify dashboard, click Online Store on the left side. Then click Edit or Customize to open the editing page. Once we are here, all we need to do is go to the Settings tab. From here, we can change the colors by clicking on the color we want to update. We can choose lighter or darker shades depending on our preference. We can also hover over options like borders, inputs, or text to adjust those specific elements. To make a change, click on the color and select a new one, like red or a darker shade, based on what works best for our brand. We can also click on the text color options and adjust them from there. We can go through each section and update the colors to match our needs. Once we are happy with the changes, click Save. Our site will update right away. And that's how we change the colors on our Shopify website.